Smith with National Credit Associates. I'd like to briefly tell you about the #1 credit repair franchise in America. National Credit Associates removes all negative and derogatory credit from all 3 credit bureaus, or we pay you $10,000 back. Visit our website at nationalcredit10000.com or give me a call at 815-528-5441. It's 100% legal, permanently removed. We're the #1 franchise owner available in America. We're also looking for outside business agents. It's a limited time offer. And again, 100% legal, 100% permanently removed from Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, #1 credit repair franchise in America. Give us a call, nationalcredit10000.com or 815-528-5441. Thanks and have a great day.